Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It's great to be back here with you.
It really is, Paul. How are you doing today? You seem energetic.
I'm doing pretty well, thanks. I had a good start to my morning, so I'm feeling positive. How about you?
Oh, I'm good, thanks. A little busy, maybe. My morning was, a bit of a rush.
Oh no, we'll have to talk about that.
We will. And that actually brings us to our topic for today.
Ah, yes. Today we are going to talk about, talking about your day.
Exactly. When someone asks, "How was your day?" it's so easy to just say, "Good," or "busy."
Right, but that doesn't make a very interesting conversation.
It really doesn't. So today, we want to explore how to describe our day in more detail. We want to use different tenses and interesting vocabulary.
This is such a useful skill for making connections, whether it's with friends or colleagues.
Definitely. But before we dive into our hectic mornings and busy afternoons,
Yes, we have a small favor to ask.
if you are enjoying Mr. English Channel, please take a second to click that subscribe button.
And if you find this episode helpful, give us a like and maybe share it with a friend who is also learning English.
It helps the channel so much, and it means we can keep making new episodes for you.
We really appreciate the support. Okay, so Emily, you said your morning was a rush.
It really was. I made a classic mistake.
Oh, what happened?
I slept through my alarm.
Oh no, that is the worst feeling, isn't it? That moment when you wake up and see the clock.
It's panic, pure panic. So, I had to rush everything. I jumped out of bed, had a very quick shower.
Did you have time for breakfast?
Absolutely not. I grabbed a banana on my way out the door. I was drinking my coffee while I was walking to the train station.
Wow, that sounds stressful. I'm the opposite. I can't skip breakfast.
You're much more organized than I am, I think.
Well, most days. Today was a good day. I woke up quite early, around 6 a.m.
6 a.m.? Wow. On purpose?
Yes. I like to have a slow start. I made a big pot of coffee.
Ah, the famous Paul coffee. How do you take it again?
Just black. Strong and black. It helps me wake up properly.
I'm more of a tea person, usually, but on days like today, I definitely needed the coffee.
So, I had my coffee and I read the news for about 30 minutes.
That sounds so peaceful. I'm a bit jealous.
It really helps me prepare for the day. And I already went for a run this morning.
You already went for a run? Before this?
Yes, just a short one, maybe 20 minutes around the park. The weather was perfect.
That's amazing. I was supposed to go to the gym this morning, but, well, the alarm clock had other plans for me.
It happens to the best of us. So, you were rushing to the train station. How was the commute?
You know, it wasn't too bad, surprisingly. I managed to get a seat on the train.
Oh, that's lucky.
It really was. So I listened to a new podcast while I was traveling.
Oh, nice. Anything interesting?
It was a history podcast, actually, about ancient Rome. It was fascinating. It helped me calm down after rushing so much.
That sounds much better than my commute.
Oh, you drove today?
I did, and the traffic was terrible.
Ugh.
I was sitting in my car for nearly an hour, just not moving.
That's the worst. What do you do when you're stuck in traffic like that?
Well, I listened to some music, and I was planning my workday in my head. You know, prioritizing tasks.
That's a productive way to use the time. I usually just get frustrated.
Oh, I was frustrated, but I tried to stay calm.
Good job. So you finally got to the office?
Finally, yes. And the day started immediately. We had a big team meeting at 9:30.
How did that go?
It went well, I think. We discussed the new project schedule.
Ah, the new project. It sounds exciting.
It is. It's going to be a lot of work, but the client is really engaged.
That's great. What exactly are you working on?
We are developing a new app for a travel company.
Wow, that is cool.
It is. But today's meeting was all about the deadlines. So, a bit serious.
I understand. My morning at work was emails.
The email mountain.
Exactly. Because I was late, my inbox was already full. I spent the first 2 hours just answering emails and catching up on messages.
Catching up. That's a great phrasal verb. It means to do the work you should have done earlier.
Yes, I was definitely catching up. It was nonstop.
Did you manage to finish them all?
Mostly. By about 11 a.m., I felt like I could finally breathe. Then I had to prepare for this podcast.
The most important part of the day, of course.
Of course. What about lunch? Did you go out?
No, I brought my lunch today. I am trying to save money and eat healthier.
Very disciplined. What did you have?
Just a chicken salad. It wasn't very exciting, but it was healthy.
That's good. I was so busy, I just ran downstairs to the cafe and grabbed a sandwich.
Was it good at least?
It was okay. A bit boring. I ate it at my desk while I was working.
The al desco lunch.
Al desco. I like that.
I try to avoid doing that. I think it's important to take a proper break, even if it's just for 15 minutes.
I know. You are right. I always feel better when I step away from my computer.
Me too. My afternoon was long.
Oh, no. Why?
I had to work on that finance report.
Ugh, not the finance report. That one is always so difficult.
It is so many numbers. My eyes are still tired. I was staring at spreadsheets for 3 hours.
That sounds painful. Have you finished it?
Almost. I have done the main part. I still have to check the final numbers.
Well, good job getting through it.
Thanks. What about your afternoon? Was it better than your morning?
Yes, much better. I had a very productive call with a client.
Oh, good. Was it the client you were worried about last week?
Yes, exactly. I thought they were unhappy with the designs.
And?
They loved them. They had only a few small changes.
Emily, that's fantastic news. Wow.
I know. I was so relieved. It really made my whole day better.
See, all that hard work paid off. That's another good phrasal verb.
It really paid off. I felt so much lighter after that call.
Oh, that's wonderful. A good meeting can change everything.
It really can. After that, I managed to finish my presentation for tomorrow.
Ah, you're giving a presentation tomorrow?
Yes, just to my department, but I wanted to be prepared. So I have already sent the slides to my manager.
You have already sent them? Wow, Emily, you are organized.
Well, I try to be. I didn't want to worry about it tonight.
That makes total sense. So, you have had a busy day.
Yes. A stressful start, but a good finish.
That's the best way.
So, what are you doing this evening? Are you going to relax?
Well, first I need to finish that report.
Still working?
Just for an hour, I hope. As soon as I get home, I'm going to finish it.
Good plan. Get it done.
Exactly. And then I am going to just relax completely.
What does relax look like for you, Paul?
I think I am going to order a pizza. I deserve it after that report.
Yes, you do.
And I started watching a new documentary series last night.
Ooh, nice. What's it about?
It's about deep-sea exploration. It's fascinating. The photography is beautiful.
That does sound cool. I might look for that one.
I really recommend it. So, pizza and a documentary. That is my perfect, quiet evening.
That sounds lovely. What about you? Are you doing anything special tonight?
Yes, I am meeting my sister for dinner. Oh, that's so nice. I haven't seen your sister in ages. How is she?
She's doing really well. She just started a new job, so we are going to celebrate.
That's great. Where are you going?
We are trying that new Italian restaurant that just opened on Main Street.
Oh, La Vita? I have heard really good things about it.
Me too. I am really looking forward to it. I have been wanting to try it for weeks.
Looking forward to it. A great expression. It means you are excited about a future event.
Yes, I am. I hope the pasta is as good as everyone says.
Well, I hope you have a wonderful time.
Thanks, Paul. And what about the rest of your week? Do you have any other plans?
Tomorrow is just a normal work day, but I'm planning to go hiking on Saturday.
Hiking? Wow. Where?
Up to Blue Mountain. It's about a 2-hour drive, but the view is supposed to be amazing.
That sounds like a great way to unwind from the week.
That's the plan, if the weather is good.
Fingers crossed for you. I think I will probably just relax on Saturday. Maybe do some shopping.
That sounds relaxing too.
It's so interesting, isn't it? When we stop and think, there is so much to say about one simple day.
Yes, exactly. We didn't just say, my day was busy.
Right. I talked about how I was feeling this morning, that panic.
And I talked about my commute and what I was doing while I was waiting in traffic.
We used the past simple for finished actions, like I had a meeting or I grabbed a sandwich.
And the past continuous for actions in progress in the past, like I was working on the report.
And the present perfect for things we have done today where the time is not finished.
Like I have already sent the slides.
And, of course, we used going to and the present continuous to talk about our plans for this evening.
It makes the whole story of our day much richer.
It really does. And it's a wonderful way to practice your English in a real, practical way.
That's a great point, Emily. It's about connecting.
Well, I have had a great time talking about our day, Paul.
Me too, Emily. But I think we're running out of time.
You are right. That's all the time we have for today's episode.
We hope you enjoyed it. And before we go, just one last reminder.
Please don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English channel.
And share this episode with a friend if you found it useful.
And we have a question for you. We want you to practice.
That's right. Tell us in the comments below, what did you do today?
Or, what have you done today that was interesting? Or maybe, what are you going to do tonight?
Use some of the vocabulary and tenses we talked about. We love reading your comments.
We really do. Thanks so much for listening, everyone.
See you next time.
Bye.